Google recently announced huge news that will affect every dentist out there. I'll tell you more when we return. Hi, Colin, receiver here. And when I ask you to picture your dental website, what version of your website do you think of? Most likely you think of the version that's on your desktop or your laptop. But according to Google, it's really time to update that thinking. Earlier this month, Google announced that mobile searches are outnumbering desktop searches in 10 different countries, including the United States. What's more, this is only smartphones, since Google groups tablets actually with computers. The fact that mobile searches have overtaken computer searches really isn't that surprising. It's a trend that's been happening and watched and anticipated for several years now. What is surprising is that mobile search has overtaken computer search faster than ever anticipated, and even the top analysts didn't expect it to happen until later this year or 2016, 2017. I remember giving a speech back in 2010 to a group of dentists, and we talked about, the middle of 2017, even 2018, before mobile search would cross desktop searches. So what does this mean for dentists who want to attract more and better patients? Well, it means your website has to be mobile friendly. Do you think the people who search online aren't going to click the links once the results come up? Of course they are. So what happens when your antiquated, not mobile-friendly dental website comes up? That person's going to click back. They're going to go to the next choice. And that's even if you come up as the top result in that search. You've got to be consumer-friendly. If that's not something you're doing in your practice or in your marketing, consumers are going to go somewhere else. Now, as I talked about back in March, Google is punishing websites that aren't mobile-friendly in the mobile searches. If you're not sure whether your website is mobile friendly or not, go to google.com/webmasters/tools/mobile-friendly. This is Google's mobile friendliness test. If you don't have a site that's built for mobile platforms or dynamic enough to conform to whatever device opens it up, which is called mobile responsive, you're going to lose dental prospects. Now, this is not some small detail. This is a major screw up if your website designer built you a site that's not fully mobile responsive. So if you haven't done so, turn this podcast off and send your webmaster, an email and tell him you need to talk. If you want to learn how to attract more and better patients, you've got to have a mobile website that looks great on smartphones and tablets. 50-60% of your website visitors are going to be coming from it. Now, if you'd like me to evaluate your website and tell you what can be improved to attract better patients, go to SmartBoxWebMarketing.com, click on the contact, and then fill out a practice survey. You can get a customized 30-minute video critique of your entire patient attraction system from our 131-point dental web marketing checklist. Now, until tomorrow, keep moving forward.